If you feel you wanna do it, you gotta step right into it. An advice I just gave my friend. Hey. The line is different in my head. I'm a coward and I know it. In the corner, always playing it safe. Today I'm trying something else. I put my fears on the shelf, turn the voices down, and I'm safe and sound. And I know I'm walking a new path now. I'm just gonna spread my wings. You know, from this day on, I'm gonna live my dreams. Today is my lucky day. Want something new to happen, you gotta change that old pattern. It's not a hard thing to understand. No. Some people waste their lives doing things they just don't like. But you can fail in doing what you hate. Why not try to stick to doing what you love? Today I'm trying something else. I put my fears on the shelf. Oh, here's a little story for you. Let's sit right down and talk it through. You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard? 'Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need someone. You found your peace no matter where you are. You'll find happiness somewhere. You will make it back out there. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned. Do you ever look up in the sky sometimes, wondering where you are, wishing you could be right here? Do you ever wanna start all over again? You find happiness out there. You will make it back, I swear. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of our life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned. story short, you walked out the door. Gotta get over myself. The drinks, they don't help. I've got to at least try. We're spinning out of control, and I've just got to know, if I follow, will it turn the ship around? If I let go, will it leave me here to drown? Gotta get over myself. This can't be farewell. I've got to at least try. If I follow, will you turn the ship around as I'm slowly sinking adjusting. One for the tired hands, one for the letdowns, all thanks to this old town. One for the shattered plans. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you drive, so we will stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let's drive off again. Let us where we fall once know what's right, my friend. Let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going into the sun. We won't be slowing down all of night. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let's drive off again. You need a high throne where you can be adored. You'll get what you deserve. This town is no fun. Your life has just begun. We need to live and learn. You know the time